For many homeowners in Plymouth, siding is something that quietly protects the house in the background, until it starts showing its age. Cracked panels, fading color, or visible warping are more than cosmetic concerns. Old siding can compromise energy efficiency, allow moisture inside, and ultimately lower the value of your home. Replacing it is an investment that offers long-lasting returns. Here are the top benefits Plymouth property owners can expect when upgrading their siding. Enhanced curb appeal. First impressions matter, and your home's exterior sets the tone. Old, worn siding can make even a well-kept property appear tired. New siding instantly refreshes the look, giving your home a polished and modern appearance. With today's wide variety of styles, textures, and colors, you can choose an option that complements Plymouth's architectural character while reflecting your personal taste. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply want to take pride in your home's look, new siding makes a dramatic difference. Improved energy efficiency. Plymouth experiences a mix of hot summers and cold, snowy winters. Old siding with gaps or poor insulation can let outside air seep in, making your heating and cooling systems work harder. Many modern siding materials are designed with insulation in mind, creating a tighter thermal seal. This reduces energy waste, lowers utility bills, and keeps your home more comfortable year-round. For homeowners concerned about sustainability, this upgrade also shrinks your home's carbon footprint. Increased property value. Homebuyers in Plymouth often look for properties that require minimal maintenance. Fresh siding signals that the house is well cared for and structurally sound. According to real estate trends, exterior updates like siding replacement consistently deliver a strong return on investment. Even if you're not planning to sell soon, replacing your siding now adds measurable value to your property for the future. Better protection against the elements. Siding serves as your home's first defense against rain, snow, and wind. Over time, cracks, gaps, or warping can allow water to penetrate, leading to mold growth, rot, and structural damage. Plymouth's seasonal climate makes durable siding especially important. Modern siding materials are built to withstand weather extremes, resist pests, and reduce the risk of costly repairs. By replacing old siding, you're ensuring long-term protection for your home's foundation and framing. Reduced maintenance demands. Faded paint and constant patchwork repairs can become a burden for homeowners with older siding. New siding options, such as vinyl, fiber cement, and engineered wood, are designed for durability and minimal upkeep. They resist peeling, cracking, and fading, saving you time and money on repairs and repainting. This means you can enjoy a beautiful exterior without the hassle of frequent maintenance. Improved indoor comfort. Drafts and uneven temperatures often signal that your siding is no longer doing its job. By replacing it, you seal out air leaks and keep indoor conditions stable. That means fewer cold spots in the winter and less reliance on fans or air conditioning in the summer. The result is a more comfortable home environment for you and your family. Healthier living environment. Old siding that lets in moisture can lead to mold and mildew growth behind the walls. These hidden problems may not only damage your home but also impact your family's health. Installing new siding helps eliminate these risks by creating a strong barrier against moisture and pests. A healthier, safer living space is one of the most valuable benefits of all. Final thoughts for Plymouth homeowners. Replacing old siding is more than a cosmetic update. It's a smart investment in comfort, efficiency, and peace of mind. From boosting curb appeal to improving energy performance and protecting your home from harsh weather, the benefits are both immediate and long-lasting. If your siding is showing signs of age, now is the perfect time to consider an upgrade that will add value and security for years to come.